วัสดีครับสวัสดีครับมีห้องว่างไหมครับ
มีครับ
ห้องราคาเท่าไหร่นะครับ
one person
Yes one person yeah
500 baht
Okay I take one yeah
you can see this room
Okay I can go have a look first yeah Right, this is always what happens. If I accept to go look at the room, then yeah, I will obviously take it. I will not bother like going to another hotel. So let me show you the room. So you see, yeah, that's a nice little triangle, and in fact, they made 2 rooms out of it, so it's not that long. Right, so let's have a look inside. Here it is. I start to spread my stuff already inside. Of course, this is me. Quite small. Got the aircon. Low bed, right? But very, very soft. And look at the bathroom. I did not look at it yet. Okay, that's fine. That's fair. Hot water. I think that's okay for 500 baht. I think if it was like 400 or 450, I would have said like, wow, this is so cheap. And I think yeah, 500 is fair price, right? Let's go have a look around how it is. Huh? Got a dog. Right, so they got a big garden in front. I saw on their Facebook that they are doing mukata. Yeah, I see people eating mukata. Thai barbecue. Yeah, the hotel is right on the side of the road. Looking at the Google map from Google Map, I thought it was in a bit of a busy area, but no. 200 baht for the Thai barbecue. Should I have it alone? And this is the houses they got, right? They got these little triangle pyramid teepee houses. And they got proper, bungalow, let's say. Nah, I did not end up having an old Thai barbecue for me. But I ordered 2 dishes from the same, from the restaurant of the hotel, right? So I got the classic pad kapao. Like this is a basil stir fry, right? Usually very spicy, and he confirmed with me that I can eat spicy before I could order it. And the other one is called gang pa. So gang is like it means like curry or the soups in Thai, and pa means forest, jungle. So jungle style curry. So there's like galangal in it and a fresh black pepper and lots of herbs. I see like kaffir limes and stuff. Yeah, let's have a taste. Yeah, and like there's some, I think, red curry paste maybe. It's warming my throat a lot, and like I can eat spicy, of course, but my stomach cannot handle it. Yeah, that's my problem. I love the taste in the mouth. It brings heat in your mouth, but I might wake up at 3 or 4 a.m. to go to the toilet. Oh yeah, gang pa, very good. And it's not only, let me finish my bite. It's not only a matter of chilies, right? It's all the spices together and like that bring this heat, right? It's not only like, oh, a chili alone that make it spicy, right? It can though, yeah, right? Next, let's look at the pad kapao, the most popular dish in Thailand, probably. Good morning, everyone. As I predicted yesterday, I did woke up quite earlier this morning because of the spiciness in all my stomach, and I did not learn the lesson because I'm eating the same thing again Parkapao, musap, or minced pork stir-fried with holy basil. So delicious. And where I am, right, you see this beautiful reservoir there? This is the Vajilongkon Reservoir. Not sure I say it correctly. This is the name of the current king. So this is a big reservoir heading all the way north, like to the border, like to Sangkhlaburi. But we're not going there. We're still going to Pilok today. And the guys are on their way from Bangkok. They left at 8. I'm waiting for them to arrive here and get on the fun part of the ride, which is starting right now, the road to Pilok. Oh yeah, they're coming. Welcome.
Hello.
Ça va?
Qu'est-ce qui fait chaud?
Il fait chaud. Hello!
Hello.
Hello!
Quand tu mélanges la Léo à du soju, ça l'élimine l'émotion.
Good morning.
J'ai pas envie d'être un good morning. En bédaine.
Right, so we arrive at the Joktadin waterfall. Very beautiful. At the entrance, they told us we cannot swim. We can swim only further down the stream. I'm not sure why. We cannot do it here. Seems we can walk a little bit in, at least. Qu'est-ce qu'il a dit? Đơn แบบนี้ได้ใช่ไหม
ลงไปถ่ายภาพได้ครับผม
โอเค
แต่ห้ามเล่นน้ำอย่างเดียว
เดินน้ำไม่ได้โอเคแต่เดินนิดหน่อยไฟใจรูปใช่ไหม
ได้
โอเค
ถ่ายภาพได้
โอเค Good evening, everyone. We arrive in Sangkhlaburi on the main attraction of the town. This is the Mon Bridge, Sapan Mon. So this is a bridge made of wood. It's very impressive. On that side behind me, you got like the Thai city. On the other side, this is the Mon village for the Mon people, and yeah, this is the main attraction. You can do like boat trip, and you can Look at the kids jumping in the water.
สองสามไป เฮ้ย เฮ้ย เฮ้ยคนที่สามว่าไงไป
Right, we just had a big thunderstorm that lasted about 2 hours. I'm quite happy that now we got the sunset without rain, being dry, right? So that's it. No, today it was so hot, right? We rode from Pilok to Sangkhlaburi, and yeah, 38 degrees, so hot. But still, yeah, the road is nice with the curves, and no, nothing bad except the heat, of course, right? And really cool to have all this haze around from the big storm we had earlier. Cool. Yep.สวัสดีครับยักษ์ท่องเที่ยวอุโมงค์นะครับครับตอนนี้ได้ไหมครับได้ครับอยู่ไหนครับอยู่ที่อุทยานนะครับเชียงเหล่านะครับครับเดี๋ยวผมขึ้นไปครับโอเคนะครับครับโอเคครับโอเคครับ see you ครับ
Sérieux?
อยากอีก
มี3อุโมงค์
3 อุโมงค์
ครับ เดี๋ยวไปอุโมงค์100 เมตร
โอเค
แล้วอุโมงค์300 เมตร
โอเค
แล้วนี่2 กิโล 300 เมตร
โอเค
ครับ